Hello everyone. So for today, we're going to discuss on how to evaluate a functions. So in evaluating a functions, we just only need to substitute the value of x to the given function. So here is the example. Example number 1. Evaluate the following functions at x is equals to 1.5 if the equation is f of x is equals to 3x minus 2. So first, you only need to copy the given equation. So f of x is equals to 3x minus 2 at the value of x is equals to 1.5. We need to substitute this 1.5 to the given x. So 3 times 1.5 minus 2. After we substitute the value of x to the equation, we just need to simplify. So 3 times 1.5 is equals to 4.5. And copy minus 2. So 4.5 minus 2 is 2.5. So the f of 1.5 is equals to 2.5. So this is now an example on how to evaluate a function. Next example. So f of x is equals to 3x squared minus 4x, where the value of x is equals to 1.5. So again, we need to substitute the value of x, which is 1.5, to the equation. So 3 times 1.5 squared minus 4 times 1.5. First is we need to solve this 1.5 squared. So 1.5 squared is equals to 2.25. Then copy the rest of the expressions. Next is to multiply 3 times 2.5, so we get 6.75 minus 4 times 1.5, we get 6. So we need to subtract 6.75 minus 6, so we get 0.75. So the f of 1.5 is equals to 0.75. Let's try the third example. First, we need to copy the given function. So f of x equals to square root of x plus 4 at x is equals to 1.5. Again, we need to substitute the value of x to the function. So square root of 1.5 plus 4. So square root of 1.5 plus 4, we get 5.5. So we take the square root of 5.5, we get 2.34. So now the f of 1.5 is equals to 2.34. Let's now try another example. So example number 1, evaluate f of 2 where f of x is equals to 4x minus 3. Okay, to solve this one, we need to copy first the given equation. So f of x is equals to 4x minus 3 where f of 2. So f of 2 is equals to, we need to substitute 2 to the value of x. So 4 times 2 minus 3. So we get 4 times 2, we get 8 minus 3. So 8 minus 3, we get 5. So the f of 2 of the given function is 5. Would be evaluate f of x plus 1 where f of x is equals to 2x minus 3. Again, we copy first the given function where f of x plus 1. So we need to substitute this x plus 1 to the given x. So 2 times x plus 1 minus 3. So 2 times x we get 2x. So 2 times 1 we get 2. So plus 2 minus 3. So combining like terms, so we get 2x, 2 minus 3, so we get negative 1. Now this is the f of x plus 1. Okay, let's do the next example. So evaluate f of 4x minus 3 where f of x is equal to 3x squared minus 4x. So we need to copy first the given function, which is the 3x squared minus 4x, and the condition f of 4x minus 3. So we need to substitute this 4x minus 3 to the x. So 3 times 4x minus 3 quantity squared minus 4 times 4x minus 3. First, we need to simplify this 4x minus 3 squared. So 3 times, to get the first term, we need to square the first term. So 4x squared is 16x squared. To get the middle term, we need to multiply the first term and second term multiplied by 2. So 4x times negative 3, so we get negative 12x. So times 2, we get negative 24x. Lastly, to get the last term, we need to square the last term. So negative 3 squared, so we get positive 9. Minus 4 times 4x, we get 16x. So negative 4 times negative 3, we get positive 12. Next is we need to simplify this term. So 3 times 16, we get x squared, we get 48x squared. Next is 3 times negative 24x, so we get 72x plus 9 times 3. So we get 27. Then copy the rest of the expression. We need to combine like terms. So this 48x squared don't have a pair, so we just only copy. So this negative 72x have pair of negative 16x, so we need to combine. So 72x minus 16x, so we get, because they have the same sign, we need to add. So 72 plus 16 get negative 88x. Then add the constant, so they have the same sign, so we just simply add 27 plus 12, we get 39. Now this is the answer. Let's do the next example. So evaluate f of a plus b where f of x is equals to 4x squared minus 3x. Again, we need to copy the given function. Then the given situation. We need to substitute this value to the value of x. So 4 times a plus b squared minus 3 times a plus b. So we need to solve this a plus b squared. So we get first term will be a squared. A times b is ab times 2. So we get 2ab, then b squared. Okay. Next is negative 3 times a. We get negative 3a. So negative 3 times b. So we get negative 3b. Okay. So we need to simplify this term. So 4 times a squared, we get 4a squared plus 4 times 2ab, so we get 8ab. So 4 times b squared, so we get plus 4b squared. Then copy the rest of the expression. Next is to arrange the whole expression according to the degree. So 4a squared plus 4b squared plus 8ab minus 3a minus 3b. Now this is our answer. Already know how to evaluate the functions. Let's try the problem. The velocity of a ball thrown upward t seconds after the ball was thrown is given by v of t is equals to 20 minus 9.8 t. So calculate the v of 0 and v of 1. So first, we need to identify the given. So the given would be v of t is equals to 20 minus 9.8 t. So this one is the given function. So next is to identify the given situation. So v of 0 and v1. Identify the given. So we need to solve first the v of 0. So v of 0 of the given function. So v of 0 is equals to 20 minus 9.8. Where this 0, we need to substitute the 0 to the value of t. So 0. Copy 20. Then copy the subtraction. 9.8 times 0 is 0. So 20 minus 0 is 20. The b of 0, we need to solve the b of 1. So v of 1. We need to substitute this 1 to the given function. So v of 1 is equals to 20 minus 9.8 times 1. So 20 minus 9.8 times 1 is still 9.8. So 20 minus 9.8 is equal to 10.2. So this should be the v of 1. Solve the given. So this is now the result. So v of 0 is equal to 20 meter per second is the initial velocity of the ball. So after 1 second, the ball is traveling more slowly at 10.2 meter per second.